Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for September 2023. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution designed to delegate user management into the organization. For example, delegate group management, delegate distribution group management, delegate share management. It will help ICT departments to prevent accumulation of licenses and access rights. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the September 2023 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the September 2023 release. We have 4 new features in this release. The first new feature is the addition of extra fields and filters in the Managed Users Overview. The Users Department and Job Title have been added to the overview. We have also added filters to this overview for the User State, Users Department, and Users Job Title. Using the new user information and the available filters simplifies the manager's search for the required user. Our second new feature adds on additional fields and filters to the Managed Products Overview. The Products category has been added to the overview, and we have also added filters to this overview for the products categories, products assignments, and its availability state. Using the new available categories and filters empowers the research owner to easily search and select the required product. Our third new feature for this release is a better clarification of the selected record in form elements. Some form elements used to have a blue text color or a light gray background color to indicate a selected record. We have updated the selection by using a clearer styling to improve the user experience. Our final new feature for this release is a general improvement of the user web page. We have eliminated excessive usage of empty space around the page content. We have also increased the width of the pop-up used in cases as requesting a product or submitting a delegated form. These changes result in an overall better user experience. Let's demonstrate these new features. To demonstrate our new features, we have prepared a delegated form called Release Demo 2023.09. This form contains all the form elements we have updated with the new styling for selected records. If we, for example, select option number 2 in the drop-down and then reopen the menu, you can clearly see that option 2 is selected by the highlighted gray background color. This new selection styling applies to all the form elements in this page. Let's give you a quick look at the other form elements. If you select option number 1 in the multi-select label and then reopen the menu, you can see the gray background color on the selected option. The same applies for the user selector. When you select a user and then reopen the menu, the selected user is highlighted with a gray background color. Selections made in a dual list are highlighted as well. And the same applies for the normal and multi-selection grids. Another thing you may have noticed is that we have increased the maximum width of this pop-up. This allows you to have more information available in your form element, such as grids, without the need of horizontal scrolling. You can easily fit multiple form elements next to each other. Let's close this window and navigate to Managed Users to demonstrate the other new features of this release. In the Managed Users Overview, we have added 2 new columns. The first new column displays the Users Department, and the second column displays the user's job title. This information is received from the corresponding HelloID user, which in most cases is synchronized with your local or Azure Active Directory. In the overview header, we have added 3 new filters. The User State filter allows you to filter the user overview based on the user's account state. You can choose to only display active or inactive users. When you select a filter, the overview is refreshed, and in our case, only the inactive users are shown. If you select either none or both states, all users are shown regardless of their account state. The Department Overview allows you to filter the users based on their department. All available departments within the HelloID user directory are shown, and one or multiple values can be selected. The job title filter allows you to filter the user overview based on the user's job title. All available job titles within the HelloID user directory are shown, and one or multiple values can be selected, for example, designer and engineer. You can also use the search bar on top of this menu to easily find the required job title, planner for example. There are a few other smaller items on this page that we would like to quickly mention. The action buttons in the action column have been restyled. The buttons are placed below each other, and we have added text to the buttons so you can easily see the action tied to pressing the button. We have also added text next to the columns button to improve the user experience. We will now navigate to the Managed Products overview to see the new features for this page. We have added a new column called Categories in the Managed Products overview. This column displays the linked categories for the self-service products. When multiple categories are displayed, they are separated by commas, and if the name is too long, it will be shortened, and you can hover over it with your mouse pointer to see the full title. In this overview, we have also added 3 new filters. The first filter allows you to filter the product overview based on the selected category. All enabled categories are available for filtering. You can select one or multiple categories, or use the search bar on top of this menu to search and select your required category. We can select default category, and the overview will get refreshed. Now, only products are displayed that are linked to this default category. Our second new filter allows you to filter this overview based on product assignment. You can choose to filter this product overview by products that have at least one active assignment to a user or products that have no assignment at all. The availability filter allows you to filter the product overview based on the availability state of the product. You can choose to filter by the out-of-stock state or the available state. This information is calculated based on the optional product configuration called maximum amount and the active number of product assignments, plus the number of running product requests. As mentioned at the introduction of this video, we have eliminated excessive usage of empty space around the page content. All HelloID pages are affected by this update, including the Managed Products page. The empty space around the product overview has been reduced by 50%, resulting in a slightly wider overview and supporting more information into the grid. Although the UI changes are relatively small, we are convinced they support our goal of improving the user experience. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.